Craving soft, chewable Nugget ice? The GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro makes fresh ice in minutes with smart app control. It's a quick and easy way to keep every drink perfectly chilled. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro, side tank accessories, cleaning brush, ice bucket, drain extension pipe, sponge, side tank clip, water container, ice scoop, cleaning detergent, user manual, quick start guide. Product overview. Installation. Start by attaching the clip to the bottom of the ice maker. Remove inlet pipe A and connect it to the side water tank base, making sure the pipe lies flat without any bends. Place the side tank on either the left or right side, install the inner tank pad, and attach the ice scoop magnetically to the ice maker or the water tank. Your ice maker is now ready for setup and use. How to pair. Scan the QR code in the user manual or search for Govee Home on the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, then install the app. Before pairing, power on the Nugget Ice Maker Pro and connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as 5 GHz networks are not supported. Open the Govee Home app, tap the plus icon, search for H8120, and select the device. When prompted, briefly press the start button on the ice maker, enter your Wi-Fi credentials, and wait for the app to complete the connection. Open the Govee Home app and navigate to Alexa. Select Link with Amazon account, sign in, and tap Link to enable the Govee skill. Once linked, your Nugget Ice Maker Pro will be ready for Alexa voice control. How to pair. Proper placement. Use clean water. Plan ahead. Choose quality water. Use ice promptly. Maximize ice production. Store extra ice properly. Controls. Control and display. Power on. First time setup. Standby mode. Screen off mode. Buttons. Display screen. Indicators. Lights. Maintenance. Cleaning. IP rating, drain the water. Prepare the cleaning solution. Clean the device. Rinse away residue. Clean the side tank. Reinstall the parts. Smart features. Enjoy soft, chewable Nugget ice in just a few minutes whenever you need it. The GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro quickly produces fresh ice, making it perfect for everyday drinks, iced coffee, smoothies, family gatherings, and entertaining guests without long waiting times. Control your ice maker from anywhere using the Govee Home app. You can start or stop ice production, create custom schedules, monitor the machine's status, receive notifications, and manage settings directly from your smartphone for added convenience. Built for continuous use, this ice maker can produce up to 60 pounds, 27 kilograms, of Nugget ice per day. Its spacious ice basket stores a generous amount of ice, making it an excellent choice for busy households, offices, parties, and other occasions where a steady supply of ice is needed. The removable side water tank provides additional water capacity, allowing the ice maker to operate longer with fewer refills. It can be installed on either the left or right side of the machine to suit your available counter space while making refilling quick and convenient. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.